What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another projector screen. Now, yesterday's projector screen was a huge fail. I actually looked at that about a week and a half ago. As soon as I was done with that, I put it back in the box. I'm like, this is it. I gotta find something that really works, and I think I found it. Now this right here is the Silver Ticket 120-inch 4K ready projector screen. It's about 250 bucks. From what I'm seeing, very well worth it. It has nothing but good reviews. It only comes in 6 pieces, so it's supposed to be real simple to put together. It is pretty large. It's a 120-inch screen, so it's gonna take a little space that I don't have in here. It weighs about 32 pounds, so it's got a little weight to it. It does come with wall-mounted screws and drywall anchors, stuff like that. From what I've seen, it looks like it's gonna be a really easy setup. So let's get out and go in the theater and go set this thing up. Let's do this.
The entire build took about an hour and 15 minutes or so. It was fairly simple. There are some rods that go down the track of the screen that can be a little troublesome, but overall it was pretty simple. This is what I was working with beforehand, and as you can tell, it's not that great, and now it's looking pretty epic. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. Even with warm lighting, it's still doable, but with the white light, it looks really good. Here's a closer look of what the screen looks like with and without the lights on. The frame is 2 3/8 heavy-duty beveled aluminum, and it has a light-absorbing black velvet material that covers the whole frame. It looks great. Now, to give you a better idea of how big this really is, I'm not on my knees. I'm actually standing. This is coming right up to like right where my butt is. It's a very big screen. And at nighttime, this thing looks amazing. My girl Valerie saw it and she said it's like putting new glasses on for the first time. This is super sharp, super clear, absolutely love it. As of right now on Amazon, it's 5 out of 5 rating with like almost 2,000 reviews. It's Amazon choice. I mean, for 250 bucks, this was definitely worth it. So if you are looking to upgrade your home entertainment system and you want to use a projector full time, definitely check out Silver Ticket. They've got amazing quality. I'm glad the last projector screen we looked at was an absolute fail, because if it wasn't, I probably wouldn't have found this. Anyway, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here, because I've got some movies to watch.